Yes, good afternoon, officers. Time for today's class CSAT program. Today's topic is application geometry. Very important topic. Sometimes I give you tricky questions, so let's have a quick glance. In the given figure, AB and D are parallel. So this is parallel to each other. And if you observe, this is 40 and this is 20. That means half of it. So that clearly shows that this is the midpoint. So this line will be half of this line. Therefore, these two will be parallel to each other. That is the first thing. According to the basic proportionality theorem, BPT. That is the major thing that you have to understand. Now, what is the length of AC? Now, if I have to find AC, you know this is 40, this is 18. So, you need to find this part. If you can find this part, right angle triangle and solve the problem. So, how do we do it? So, from the given options, what is the length of AC? So, if you observe this one, now from here to here, this part will be 20, this part will be 20, and this part will be how much? We don't know. So, we need to find this part. So, from here we can find out that 20 and 18, so under root of 400 minus 18 square 324, which is nothing but 76. So, root 76 is the length of this part. So, if this is root 76 and this part we have to find out. So, if this is x, this will also be x. So, from here we can find out this is nothing but 400 minus x square. That is a basic thing that we have to look into it. So, we need to find out root of 400 minus x square plus root of 76 whole square. This is what you have to find out from the given logic. Now, what you have to understand here is, if this is 20, this will become a square. So this will become 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and this 20 and 22 sides are equal. So it might be a rectangle or a square. We have to understand this part. Now this is 18. So from here, what can we gain? Now if you observe, this triangle and this triangle are similar to each other because the lengths are same. So from here, angle property we can use. These two are similar. So the sides must be proportional. Now this is 20 and this is 20. So two triangles, 20x, 20, 18. That's the situation. So since these two are equal, directly we can say that x is 18. So this will be 36. So the overall analysis is going to be root of 40 square plus 36 square, which is nothing but root of 1600 plus 1292, root of 2892, approximately 3000 root. 3000 root, if you observe, this will be somewhere around, write this as 100 into root 30, which is nothing but approximately, so root of 100 into 30, so 10 root 30, which is nothing but the answer is going to be so your approximate answer should be close to root 30 is approximately 3 point root 30 is approximately 5 square, so 50, close to 50 it must be, therefore answer C. Like that we can answer a question in less than 2 minutes, especially when there is no time. The next question, what is the value of C if the number of radians is 630 degree angle can be written as C pi? So 630 degrees is equal to C pi. We know that pi radians is nothing but 180 degrees. Therefore, 630 degrees is equal to how many radians? It's nothing but 630 by 180 into pi radians. So you know this is 7 times, this is 2 times by 90. So answer is 7 by 2. Less than 2 minutes we can solve this question and give the answer. Very important. Next question. In the given triangle, BAC is equal to CAD. BAC, this x, CAD, this is also x. Now, if AB is 20, he has given this as 20 feet, BC is 48 feet, and DE is 40 feet. What is the length of CD? Now, if you observe this one, this angle and this angle are equal, vertical opposite angles, and since these two angles are equal, that means obviously this angle also y, this angle also y. So A similarity, these two triangles are similar to each other. Now if you observe this, A, B, C. Now rotate this triangle in such a way that CD forms with respect to BC. So CD, you turn it this side, E, and you will get C. Sorry, E. So now we have ACB. ACB, this is X, and DCE. DC. XX. So this is, sorry, X, also X, Y, Y. All the sides are equal. He has given this AB as 20 and this is 48. Therefore, and DE is 40. Therefore, how much is this one? So if you observe this ratio, 20 by 40 should be same as 48 by dash. Therefore, the dash will be 96 double. Less than 2 minutes, we solve the problem. Simple. Use similarities, basic proportionality theorem, AA properties. So that's all for today. Shamanth Pydikondala signing off. Bye-bye.